Hi, I'm Curly Velasquez, and this is Crash Course Latin American Literature. In 13 episodes, we'll explore the trends, tropes, and movements of a super diverse region, considering everything from pre-colonial indigenous texts to contemporary novels. And spoiler alert, it isn't all magical realism. Now, before you go, Curly, I'm not really a book girly, stop right there. Reading isn't just a school thing. My book club is about the chisme, the gossip, love, heartbreak, and la vecina next door who always takes up 2 parking spaces. What I'm saying is books can be juicy, and there's something for everybody in Latin American literature. Romance, action, family drama, mysteries, politics, and my favorite, ghosts. Literature is one of the most direct portals we've got to other people's lives. It helps us better understand each other, the past, and even the time we live in now. And we can look at literature through different lenses. What does this novel tell us about identity, family, memory, even ourselves? And listen, we're not here to serve up everything you need to write a 5-page essay. Think of this series more like a charcuterie board. A bite of this, a nibble of that. In every episode, we'll snack on a few texts and chew on the historical, cultural, and political forces that shape them. Oh, and one more thing. It's okay if you didn't do the reading. No, for real, we got you. So let's meet back here for Curly's book club. Crash Course Latin American Literature. Adios, mis papitas fritas. Thanks for watching this episode of Crash Course Latin American Literature, which was filmed at the Carlos Hernandez studio in Indianapolis and was made with the help of all these nice people. If you want to help keep Crash Course free for everyone forever, you can join our community on Patreon.